In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folder in Grok Imagine. While Grok Imagine doesn't currently offer a traditional create folder button, I'll show you a clean, reliable way to organize your work using projects so your generated images and related files stay easy to find. Start by opening your browser and heading to Grok. Once you're in Grok Imagine, here's an important note up front. There isn't a built-in folder feature for image organization yet. What you see, areas like templates, discover, and your chat list, are the main places you'll interact with content. Because of that, we'll use the Files area and Projects as a practical, folder-like workaround. Look to the bottom left corner of the interface and click the profile icon. This opens your account tools. From there, select Files. Think of this as your library where your generated items and uploads can be viewed and managed. On this page, use Sort or Filter to zero in on what Grok Imagine has generated for you. Sorting by date helps you see your latest outputs first, while filters can narrow by type so you're only looking at what matters right now. Next, on the left-hand side, click Projects. This is where the folder alternative lives. Click New Project to create a container that will hold related assets. Give your project a clear, consistent name that will make sense weeks from now. Something like a campaign name, a theme, or a short format such as Brand Concepts June. Good naming is the difference between a tidy workspace and a scavenger hunt. In the project instructions field, add a quick summary of the goal or guidelines for what belongs here. For example, note the style you're exploring, any constraints or links to references you plan to include. These instructions make it easier to keep collaborators and your future self aligned on what this project is about. Click Next to move into the Files step. Here you'll see a space to drag and drop files. Drop in any relevant images, reference assets, or exports you've saved out of Imagine. If you don't have anything to add yet, that's okay. You can always come back and upload later. Finally, click Create. Your new project is now saved and acts like a folder for your work. Repeat this process to set up separate projects for different themes or clients, and continue using Sort and Filter in Files to quickly locate your generated content across the board. That's it. An organized project-based system you can use today in Grok Imagine until native folders arrive.